You're so excited. Hi. You're so excited. Hi. Hello. Oh, you're such a good boy. You see a cheeky monkey? Oh, I'm so excited. Here. Hello, Mr. Frankie. Hello, Mr. Frankie. Say, Frankie loves cheeky monkey. Hello, Mr. Frankie. Get him. Hello, Mr. Frankie. Hello, Mr. Frankie. You're so cute. You love it, huh? I love Cheeky Monkey. Oh my goodness. Look at that face. You're so excited for him. Hello, Mr. Frankie. Hello, Mr. Frankie. You gonna get him? Grab him. You're so cute. Hello, Mr. Franklin. My name is Cheeky Monkey. Your mommy reads me stories all the time. Yes, we're going to get story time together from now on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. Oh my goodness, you're so excited for him. You are. You love it. Yeah. Say hello, Cheeky Monkey. Yeah. Hi. Ah. Oh. Oh my goodness. You're in such a good mood. You are. Such a good mood. Yes, you can get in your bath. Yeah. 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 You can go play in the bathtub. Oh, really? You gonna go play with Daddy in the tub?